Hey there, how's it going? Yeah, a lot of bad news out there. Come here, give me a hug. There's so much negativity out there, so let's talk about some of the practical viewpoints and a way to let go of the fear and take that power back for yourself. This is why all news is bad news, and why AIrCrete will make you stronger and more in control of your life. If you take a look at this hierarchy of needs over here, we see at the base, we have the basic things like health and food and sleep or rest or peacefulness. We need this as the very foundation to keep our bodies functioning and live. And above that, we have warmth and freedom from danger, because if we're always in danger, we're not free. And above that, we have belonging, your tribe, your people. And on top of that is self-esteem, confidence, knowing that you can do something. And on top of that is self-actualization. I would even call this a place of enlightenment, oneness, a knowing. It's realizing who you really are as an eternal spiritual being. And the reason we're constantly bombarded and torn down is because they need us to manifest and create their reality, their Orwellian slave state. They can't do it on their own, so they have to tear us down. And we're taught very quickly to not believe in ourselves, to not trust what we see, to not trust our own senses, to not trust what we know, but to believe in some invisible thing. And that tears down our self-esteem. And then they're telling us now, be socially distanced. Notice they didn't say stay 6 feet apart, not healthy distance, or anything that would imply that this is to do with health, but instead they called it socially distant because they want us separated from one another, where we can't have the group mind, the mastermind effect, where in nature 1 + 1 = 3 or more as a multiplication of natural systems. No, they need us separated and divided so that we can be conquered. And now they're down here attacking the level of freedom and warmth. I mean, how much do you hear in the news? Oh, be scared of the terrorist. Be scared of the new war. Be scared of the racist. Be scared of the financial reset. Be scared of one another. Think about how they're raising children now inside of plexiglass boxes with masks on in public schools, so that everybody's fearing everyone. This is a very dangerous place to be. But having divided that, they want to tear us down now to where all we can do is hope to keep our health, keep some food to eat, keep what we have, and maybe somewhere, just maybe somewhere, we can get a little rest along the way. And this is a very primal fight or flight position to be in. This is not a good place to be in, because in this space, you will do anything to keep your life and what you've got left. So, to those ends, we need to turn off the media. And if you look at the Greek goddess Medea, Medea, she was one who her own children, and whose very name means to contrive. And very much likewise, as they openly declare to us what's going on, they are destroying the children of this country. They are contriving.
This is extremely dangerous to our democracy.
Our culture will adapt to service us.
To take away everything that you have, even your very life. So it's time for us to get these things handled. This April 5th, we're showing people how to build an alternative off-grid life by starting with building an AIrCrete structure, an alternative structure, one that you can build for $26 a square foot. We're going to show how to put in the power systems, the sanitation systems, the air conditioning, the plumbing, the electrical, the solar system design, how to put battery packs together. We're going to show you how to make the tool to make the AIrCrete. Absolutely everything you need to have a functional life. So you can click the link below in the description to learn more about that. And once we've got our shelter built, we're going to be free from the desperate need that we have, and we're going to be able to focus then on our family, on our tribe, on our people, and build relationships and create strong connections and get together and create great ideas. And then on top of that is self-esteem, which is already being built in the foundation of taking care of the lower needs, because you already know that you can build your own home and all of your needs, including food systems and sanitation and energy, because you've already done it. And once you've got this done, then you're free to dream, you're free to soar, you're free to become more of what you actually are in the spirit. And this level of self-actualization, this moment of oneness, can only be achieved when everything else is sorted. Now, I know some people would say that I can't do that, I'm not rich. But I encourage you that you can, if you want it enough, if you're willing to turn off the contriving media. One very rich person said that to be rich means to be in control of your life, to do what you want to do the way you want to do it, and to do it to the level of excellence that you want to do it. It's living life by your own accord. Another quote that I like is that freedom is the ability to choose what you want to be, to do what you want to do, to be with who you want to be with, to do for a living something that you actually want to do. It's the freedom to live life as you've dreamed it and to actually make it happen, to manifest, to create this dream in this reality. Rich is living the very expression of your spirit without preconditions. And once you've lived this kind of life, you'll wonder why you never did it sooner. And it's all a matter of changing your life by changing your mind. The question is never can we. The question is, will we? Your future hangs in the balance. So if living off-grid, being able to meet your health, shelter, food needs, to have a foundation from which you can do the work that's meaningful to you, that you want to do, if living with your life under your control, not in the control of government, not in the control of local media, not in the control of anyone, if you want to take this power back unto yourself, then I encourage you to build that foundation. And if these things resonate with you, and if you would like to use an alternative building material, I invite you to click the link below. Come attend the April 5th Trilingual School of Alternative Building and learn how to build all of these systems into your life so that you will be free and in control of the foundation of your well-being.